If you're stuck choosing between KuCoin and Phemex, let me say this clearly. One of them can make you lose money faster than you think. Futures traders don't lose because their entry is bad. Most of them lose because they're trading on the wrong exchange. The truth is, the question is not, which exchange is better? The real question is, which exchange fits your trading style? And which one will punish you if you choose wrong? KuCoin and Phemex are not direct competitors in the way people think. They are built for two completely different types of traders. And if you use the wrong one, you're already starting at a disadvantage. If you're someone who hunts altcoins, wants more variety, and cares about higher cashback rewards, KuCoin can be the stronger option. If you're a futures-focused trader, especially a scalper, and you want fast execution with a clean trading environment, Phemex becomes very interesting. But before you decide, you need to understand the 5 factors that actually matter. Part 1. Safety and withdrawals. The number one reason people search KuCoin versus Phemex is not curiosity, it's fear, the fear of getting stuck, the fear of withdrawal delays, the fear of logging in one day and seeing your account restricted. Because in crypto, it doesn't matter how profitable you are on paper if you can't move your money when you need to. KuCoin has strong security tools like two-factor authentication, withdrawal passwords, and anti-phishing protections that many traders rely on. Phemex is also a serious platform designed heavily for active traders, but some users still report occasional extra verification or account checks. The takeaway is simple. If futures is your main game, withdrawal reliability should be one of your first filters, not an afterthought. Part 2. Fees, the hidden profit killer. Most people compare fees like it's a small detail, but fees are not small. Over time, fees are literally the difference between staying profitable or slowly bleeding out. KuCoin spot trading starts with competitive base fees, and futures fees can become even lower depending on your trading tier. Phemex is also competitive, especially for futures traders. But here's what most people miss. The real cost is not just the posted fee. It's how those fees compound when you're trading frequently. If you make dozens of trades a week, choosing the wrong exchange can easily eat 20% of your profits without you even noticing. Part 3. Execution and slippage. If you are a futures trader, especially a scalper, execution is everything. Chart analysis won't save you if your stop loss doesn't fill properly. Strategy won't matter if you get slipped on every entry. The fastest way to get destroyed in futures isn't bad prediction, it's bad execution. Liquidity and order matching matter more than most people realize. Phemex is often praised for its clean, speed-focused futures environment, which is exactly what active traders want. KuCoin is strong too, but its biggest edge is not execution speed. Its edge is ecosystem and variety, especially in altcoins. Altcoins versus futures style. Here's the real dividing line. KuCoin tends to win for traders who want access to more coins, early listings, and an exchange that feels like an Altcoin Playground. Phemex tends to win for traders who are more focused on futures performance, simplicity, and speed. KuCoin is often the choice for people who want both spot and futures opportunities under one roof with higher reward potential. Phemex is often the choice for traders who want a more streamlined futures-first experience without distractions. Part 5. Who should not use KuCoin? Now, let's make this brutally practical, because this is where most reviews stay too polite. KuCoin is not for everyone. If you only trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, KuCoin might feel like too much. If you want the simplest possible platform with zero noise, you may get overwhelmed, because KuCoin has a huge ecosystem, a lot of features and many markets. And if you're the type of trader who doesn't want to think about dozens of options, KuCoin can actually become a distraction instead of an advantage. Who should not use Phemex? On the other side, Phemex is also not for everyone. If your entire strategy is hunting low-cap altcoins, catching early listings, and rotating through new coins quickly, Phemex may feel limited. The platform is more futures-oriented and streamlined. So if you need a massive selection of altcoins and constant new listings, KuCoin will usually offer more opportunity. The best way to choose is not hype. It's alignment. Ask yourself 4 simple questions. First, do I trade spot or futures more often? Second, am I scalping fast moves or holding altcoins longer? Third, Do I care more about ultra-low fees or about execution speed and simplicity? And fourth, do I want rewards and cashback, or do I want the cleanest possible trading experience? When you answer those honestly, the decision becomes obvious. KuCoin is usually the stronger pick if you want altcoin access, more variety, and higher cashback potential across both spot and futures. Phemex is usually the better fit if you're primarily a futures trader who values speed, clean execution, and a focused platform built for active trading. The mistake is trying to choose a better exchange. The right move is choosing the exchange that matches how you actually trade. And if you want to get the maximum fee cashback from the start, here's what you can do right now. If you choose KuCoin, use my referral code Cashback50 to get up to 35% fee cashback on both futures and spot trading. And if you prefer Phemex, use my referral code IE78V7 to get 30% fee cashback on your trades. I've placed the registration links and both referral codes directly in the description below, so you can activate the rewards immediately when you sign up. Closing, remember, the exchange you pick is not just a platform. It's the environment you trade inside. Choose the wrong one, and you could be losing money before you even realize why. Choose the right one, and everything becomes smoother, cheaper, and more profitable.